How to add custom feedback messages to a form after users submitted it. One of the features of Form Element is custom feedback messages. Form Element is a part of Raven Elements. Raven is an exclusive plugin developed by Archviz which represents new useful elements to Elementor. So from JupyterX Control Panel plugins, make sure Raven is installed and activated. After adding a form widget to your web page, you can add custom message to it so that it can give you a feedback based on its situation. Here I used Raven Form Element. Let me select my form, and this is Raven Form Element. In order to add custom messages, go to Content tab here and click on Feedback Messages. Here you need to enable this option, Custom Messages, and these are default messages for success and error. Let me change this one. Okay, let's update the settings. Okay, this is name, website, email, and let's write something here and click on send. That's it. That's our custom feedback message. Thank you for watching.